Okay, so the final exercise is called open book or reach and roll. This is a great one if you're getting some tension in your shoulders and upper back, or even if you're just having some tightness in your low back. Because when you do this exercise, it is able to go through spinal movement and gives you a chance to really stretch and release all of that. If you have tightness in your shoulders, you're also going to feel that as well in your upper shoulder area as well. So I love to do this one. It's on the floor laying down, so you can do it at the studio, you can do it backstage, you can do it wherever you are waiting for your competition dances.